this example, we're going to review the conflict between NPV and IRR when they produce differing results and we need to choose between two different outcomes. NPV and IRR will provide the same indicator about the decision of acceptance or rejection of the project. However, NPV and IRR may provide conflicting results when comparing two or more projects. For instance, one may show a higher NPV while the other has a higher IRR, or vice versa. This difference occurs due to a different cash flow pattern in the two projects. Let's take a look at an example. In this example that we have on screen in the table here, you can see the difference in the cash flow patterns between Project 1 and Project 2. Project 1 has steady cash flows in column D. Project 2, in column E, has less cash inflows on a regular basis and has a lump sum payment in year 5. When we compare Project 1 versus Project 2, from an NPV perspective, Project 2 has a higher NPV but lower IRR. NPV is 39,217 and IRR is 25%. Project 1, on the other hand, has NPV of 23,719 and IRR of 29%. Therefore, the question is, which one should we choose to pursue? When a company faces this type of situation, they should choose the project that has a higher NPV. The reason for this is because there's an inherent reinvestment assumption. In other words, there's an assumption in our calculation that the cash flows will be reinvested at the same discount rate used in the calculation. For NPV, the implicit reinvestment rate is 10%. However, in the IRR calculation, the implicit reinvestment rate assumption is 29 or 25%, as shown on screen here. The reinvestment rate of 29 or 25% in IRR is high, and it is arguably unrealistic when we compare it against NPV, which uses a discount rate of 10%. This makes the NPV results superior to the IRR results when we want to choose NPV or IRR when there's a conflicting situation like we see here.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.